Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing hibiscus drink. Here are the ingredients. You have the hibiscus leaves. They have two types. I'm going to be using the two. You have the dates, ginger. Here is the ground ginger, cloves, garlic, cinnamon. This is the ground cinnamon. You have here the vanilla flavor, orange, pineapple. You have your measuring cup and spoon, sieve, grater. You may be needing this if you have to use the fresh ginger. Just grate a little amount. This is water. You have 5 liters of water in here. So we're going to be moving on to the preparation. Here you have the washed leaves, the washed hibiscus leaves. The first thing we'll do is to put everything into the pot. Everything into the pot. Now you can follow any order. You have your garlic. This is just 1 clove of garlic that has been peeled. I've peeled it. Just cut it. You may want to just drop it into it. Cut it into bits. That's that. You have your pineapple that has been chopped. This is the pineapple peel, very healthy. You can also include it. You have your orange. I've sliced them. Together with the peel. It's very okay to boil the hibiscus with the orange peel. Here is the cloves, the soaked cloves. You can soak this overnight, or if you want a faster result, the very day you want to prepare your hibiscus tea, you can soak in ordinary water, in warm water, for about 5 hours or thereabouts. So we pour this into it. This is the date. It has been soaked for. You can soak overnight, just like the cloves, and you can also, if you want a faster result, you can soak in hot water for a few hours. Pour everything. See how the dates have soaked enough water. Ginger. You can decide to use this, and then if you are using the fresh ginger, you need to grate a little quantity. But here I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of the ground ginger. For the cinnamon, you just need a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now that everything is put into this pot, we're going to add our water. We're going to do this boiling twice. So the first time, we're going to add 3 liters of this water into this place. So, and the second time, we're going to use the remaining 2 liters. So we're able to bring everything to a boil. So we have allowed it to boil for about 5 minutes. So we're going to sieve this, after which we'll pour the remaining 2 liters of water in here. You can do this as long as you want to be able to get a full extract of the oil from the leaf. After boiling, allow to cool, and then you add 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor to the whole drink. This has been done, and here is the drink. This tastes good. Thank you very much for staying through the end of the preparation of this drink. See you next time. A bientôt.